Ever wonder the best way to prepare a baked potato? Is it in the oven, the air fryer, the Instant Pot, or the microwave? Well, today I'm going to break down all 4 methods and I'm going to share with you the pros and cons of each so that you can make the decision that's right for you. Let's get cooking. Regardless of the method, scrub your potatoes well, let them dry, and then pierce them with a fork several times so that they don't explode. For the Instant Pot, pour in 1.5 cups of cold tap water, place in a trivet, place your potatoes on top of the trivet, and then you want to pressure cook on high pressure for 12 to 18 minutes depending on the size of the potato. After the cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for at least 5 minutes. Then you can remove your potatoes, and as you can see here, it has the texture more of a boiled potato. It doesn't hold its shape really well, but it is nice and soft, and I can tell you that the flavor is concentrated and it tastes like a baked potato. It's pretty delicious. For a baked potato in the oven, you want to bake at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes until fork tender. While I find it's delicious to coat an oven baked potato in a little bit of olive oil and some kosher salt, for the purpose of this video, I kept the potatoes all the same. As you can see, the potato holds its shape well, it's nice, it's fluffy, and it has a little bit of crispy skin. Absolutely delicious. For a microwave baked potato, place your potato on a heat-safe place, microwave for 5 minutes, flip, and then continue to cook for 2 to 5 minutes depending on the size of your potato. As you can see here, it's a little bit shriveled up. It's a little bit difficult to cook. This potato is not overcooked. I took it out right at the time that it was fork tender, but it has a little bit of a rubbery texture and you lose a lot of the flesh. It's definitely not pillowy or fluffy like an oven baked or an Instant Pot baked potato. For the air fryer, you want to air fry your potato at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Flip and continue to air fry for another 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of your potato. As you can see here, the potato holds its shape, it's nice and fluffy, the skin's a little bit crispy, and the interior is almost cloud-like. It's so fluffy, it melts in your mouth. The verdict: avoid microwave baked potatoes at all costs. And if I had to choose, I'm gonna say the air fryer wins out on this one. Regardless, the air fryer, the oven, or the Instant Pot all have their advantages, but you can't go wrong with a baked potato. Until next time, happy cooking.